Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to set up QuickBooks for your Airbnb business. So even if you're a complete beginner. Now, if you are renting out properties or Airbnb, so QuickBooks can help you track the income, expenses, the profits, cleaning costs, and taxes all in one place. Okay, so QuickBooks is an accounting software that helps you manage your business finances. So just open the any of your web browser, and then you just have to search for QuickBooks. Okay, and then you just have to sign up for an account. So this one for Airbnb hosts, it helps you to track booking income, cleaning fees, utility bills, maintenance expenses, platform fees like Airbnb service fees, profit and loss report. So this makes it easier to see if your Airbnb is actually profitable. So again, you just have to create your account first. You have to choose a plan depending on your business size. And most Airbnb hosts start with the QuickBooks Online Simple Start or Essentials. And that's what we are using right now. So once you've logged in, you'll enter your main dashboard. This one, where all of your financial tracking will happen. Okay. So next is you have to set up your business profile. So to set up your business profile, just have to go to the settings. So this section. So just tap on the settings. And then here you'd be able to see these options. Just go to the account and settings. And then just wait for a couple of seconds. So this is your company settings, usage, accounting, sales, expenses, and the advanced section. So you just have to set it up, your business name, the business type. You just have to choose the rental companies. Just go here. And yeah, for your tax information, if applicable in your country. So this helps QuickBooks organize everything properly for your Airbnb income. The next one is to connect your bank account. This is very important because it automatically imports your transaction. So once connected, the QuickBooks will track the Airbnb payouts, match expenses, categorize the income automatically. So let me just close this section. So you just have to go to the accounting, or just go here to the bank transactions, and then you just have to connect your bank account. So just tap on the connect accounts. So this saves so much time. It will save you a lot of manual work. Okay, so I'll just show you this one real quick. So yeah, you just have to choose your bank right here or credit card to bring your transactions. So once you're done, you're now good to go. So once your bank account is connected again, you can track your Airbnb payouts, match the expenses, categorize the income automatically. Okay, next is we are going to create Airbnb income categories. So let's just go to the chart of accounts. Just go to your settings. All right, and then under the your company, you have your chart of accounts. So just choose this one. That's right. Okay, so here you just have to create a new account. Tap on the new account option at the top right. And then for the account names, for example, I'm just going to name this one as Airbnb income. All right, and then for the account type, I'm just going to select income. That's right. So you can also add cleaning fees income, utilities expense, maintenance expense, supplies, repairs, platform fees. So this helps you clearly separate your income and expenses so you can see your real profit. So here, Airbnb income, that's right. And then after that, you just have to save it. Okay, so let's add another one. So new account. Then I'm just going to name this one as platform fees. Okay, platform fees. That's right. And then tap on the save option. Next one is we are going to track the Airbnb bookings. So every time you receive payout from Airbnb, record it in your QuickBooks. So you can match it automatically from your bank feed or manually enter it as Airbnb income. Okay, so make sure that each transaction is categorized correctly so your reports stay accurate, right? So you can also go here so you can run your reports to the chart of accounts and you'd be able to see that right here. All right, so let's just wait for a couple of seconds. So you'll be able to see here now your account list. That's right. So you just have to choose your account. The next one is we are going to track the expenses. So to track the expenses, all we have to do is to include, cleaning services. So we just have to go here. Let's go to the create section and go to the supplies and go to the expense. So we are going to record our expenses. So our pay, I'm just going to use this one. That's right. And then you just have to add here now the categories. For example, you have your cleaning service, the description, the tax, and then the amount. Okay, so for example, repairs, furniture, electricity, and water bills. Internet, restocking supplies. So make sure that you always attach the receipts if possible. This helps during tax filing and financial reviews. So you have it right here. You can add those attachments. Then after that, you just have to save and close this section. And then if you would like to run your invoice, you just have to go here and then just go to the invoice section. That's right. Then you can now run your invoice. And lastly is to run the reports. So you just go to the report section, this one. All right. Just tap on it and you'll be able to see here now the standard reports, the custom reports, the management reports, and the financial planning. So you can run your profit and loss right here, your cash flow, your expense breakdown, the monthly earnings. So this helps you know if your Airbnb is growing or needs improvement. Okay, so that's it for this video. If you think this video helped you solve your concern, please subscribe, like this video, and leave your comment below.